Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find the timer on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to find the timer, all you need to do is open the clock app, and over here you should be able to switch the timers in the bottom right corner. And over here we have the timer. We can set up the time. Let's say I want the 1 hour timer. There we go. We can set 1 hour, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Press start, and there we go. We have our timer. We can tap on the timer itself in order to change the view. We can also see when it will go off. We can of course pause the timer, resume it, we can cancel it, we can set the label so we can name the timer. And we should also be able to choose the sound or the ringtone or I don't know, and however you name it, the sound that will be played when the timer goes off. And you can press set over here in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!